Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to buy a custom Shopify domain directly through Shopify. This is a great way to establish your brand identity and make your online store more professional and memorable for your customers. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, log in to your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the correct store if you manage multiple shops. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage where you can access all your store management tools. Now, look over to the left side panel of your dashboard. Here you'll find various options for managing your store. Click on Settings. This is your control center for all the important configurations and customizations for your Shopify store. Clicking this will open up a new set of options on the left side. In the Settings menu, look at the left side panel again and click on Domains. This section is specifically designed for managing all the web addresses associated with your store, whether you already own domains or want to purchase new ones. Once you're in the Domains section, click on Buy New Domain. This button initiates the process of purchasing a brand new domain directly through Shopify, which simplifies the setup since everything stays within the same platform. The page will load momentarily, so give it a second. Once it's ready, you'll see a search field where you can input your desired domain name. For example, let's say you want to use tutorialsample.com, type that into the field and then click Search. This will check the availability of your chosen domain name across different extensions. Now, you'll need to wait a moment while Shopify searches its database. This usually takes just a few seconds, but be patient as the system checks availability. During this time, Shopify is verifying whether your chosen domain name is available and also looking for alternative options. Once the results load, you'll see a list of available domains. Your exact choice might be available, or you might see variations with different extensions like .net, .store, or .shop. Take a moment to review your options and consider which extension best fits your brand identity. After you've made your decision, select the domain you want by clicking on it, then click Buy. This will move you forward to the payment section where you'll complete your purchase. You'll now be taken to the payment method page. At the bottom of this page, click Add Payment Method. This allows you to enter your payment details securely so Shopify can process your domain purchase. A form will appear prompting you to fill in all the required fields for your payment information. This typically includes your card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address. Make sure you enter everything accurately to avoid any issues with the transaction. After you've carefully filled in all the necessary payment information and double-check that everything is correct, click Buy Domain. Shopify will process your payment and register the domain for you, and that's it. You've successfully purchased a custom domain through Shopify, and it will now be connected to your online store, giving your business a more professional appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.